Hey, I'm Dr. Bishop, and I just want to show you the best and most efficient way to work your way through Prep Academy. And so we are right now on the course homepage, and this is what it looks like. When you're on the homepage, you want to click on Course Materials, which will take you to the table of contents. The table of contents for the Prep Academy is how you should navigate your way through from top to bottom. You should always work in order. If you continually go to the table of contents and start wherever you left off the last time, you'll be working through the course in the most efficient manner. You do not want to try to jump around because jumping around will actually slow you down. So when you get to the table of contents, you can see that there is a check mark right here next to the very first assignment, which is a welcome video. The check mark means that I have already watched that. As a student, I have clicked on this video and I have watched it, and it has turned what was a little dot into a check mark. You want to make sure that each of the assignments in every module has a check mark next to it. The check mark means that you have read, you have watched, you have interacted, and gained something from that material before moving to the next assignment. As you can see, this assignment or this link will take you to the instructions for your introductory letter. So by clicking on the link, it takes you to all of the things that you need to know when you write this first writing assignment. Introductory letter writing assignment. If I go back to the table of contents, you'll see that that dot was turned into a check mark, which is fantastic. That's what we wanted to happen. I also want to point this out to you. Every time you see this little icon, it kind of looks like a piece of paper in a printer or something, and you see the word assignment next to it, that means you have a writing assignment to submit. And I want to show you how to submit a writing assignment for the first time. So I'm going to click on this assessment, the writing assignment, which is your introductory letter. And this is the information to just remind you of what it is you're supposed to be doing. After you've written your letter, save your letter as a Word document. It's very important that regardless of whether you're working on a Mac or not, that you save it as a Word document. eCourseWare doesn't recognize pages, which means if you upload a Pages document from your Mac, it just looks like gobbledygook and we can't read it, we can't open it. So if that's the case for you, save your document as Word or as a PDF and then upload it. The way that you upload it is down here. You go to this little upload button and you've saved your document already, probably to your desktop or to your to a folder on your desktop. So you click upload and you go find your letter. So this is my letter and I'm going to click it and open it. You can see that it is right there, which is fantastic. That's where we want it to be. If there's any comment that you need to make to your professor, you type it in right there and then you click submit to Dropbox. Once you've done that, it'll show you this little message right here that says confirmation email has been sent successfully. There's an email sent to you and there's an email sent to your professor so that we both know that there's something in the Dropbox to look at. So let's go back to that table of contents one more time and I'll show you one more thing. The Prep Academy agreement is set up as a quiz, which you can tell if it's a quiz if you see this little question mark icon with the word quiz next to it. Normally, if you see this, the quiz will be on the materials right in front of it. So you might have a quiz that covers whatever you read right before that. That's not the case for the Prep Academy quiz. Basically, you are just affirming or answering yes to the rules of the Prep Academy for that quiz. Once you submit your quiz, then you're going to see another unit open up for you. And each module opens up as more assignments are completed. So if you're trying to jump around, you're actually shooting yourself in the foot, because jumping around means you're not unlocking things in order. And prep sort of works like a video game where you have to do like level up. You have to meet certain requirements before you can get new materials unlocked for you. So one more thing I want to show you. Up here at the top of your screen, you have these little icons. If you see the little orange or red dots, you always want to click on that and see what's going on. This is your eCourseWare email right here. So if you get a message from me or from one of the graduate assistants in the class who's helping me with grading, they're going to come to your email right here. So you should always check that. And then this is like if there's a new news item or if something new has been submitted to the class, it'll be right there. So that is the best way to sort of approach the class. Always start with course materials and work your way down using the table of contents.